Hi viewers, I am Swati from Accura IP Services. In this video, we will guide you in choosing the perfect name for your business or product. Our journey of establishing successful business or launching a product begins with a crucial step: finding the perfect name. But before you finalize any name, there is a checklist you should go through to ensure you are on the right path and avoid future complications. First one, trademarks. The first port of call should be the Controller General of Patents, Designs and Trademarks in India. Ensuring your desired name is not already trademarked is paramount. This not only saves you from potential legal hassles, but also guarantees a unique brand identity. Second one, domain name availability. In the digital age, a matching domain for your business name is almost non-negotiable. Before finalizing, check if your preferred domain name is available. If your first choice is taken, get creative. Consider adding prefixes or suffixes, or even explore alternative domain extensions like .in, .co.in, or extensions relevant to your business. Third one, company or LLP name availability. If you are considering registering your enterprise as a company or LLP in India, you will have to check with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Their database will let you know if your desired name has already been taken by another business entity. Beyond these technicalities, here are some general guidelines. Firstly, ensure the name is easy to spell, pronounce and recall. Secondly, the name should resonate with your target audience and reflect the ethos of your brand. And finally, in a diverse country like India, it's essential to be mindful of cultural and linguistic nuances. What sounds perfect in one language might have unintended meaning in another. Choosing a name might seem simple, but it's a decision that will stick with you for the life of your business or product. So, research thoroughly, think creatively, and choose wisely. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such insight.